So today we will start chapter 5, health and hygiene. Sorry, chapter 15. I written question on that, to that time only you have completed. Question answer and all. We have started studying for the 6th month. Any doubt regarding the older chapters? No. Okay. So today we will start health and hygiene. So what is health? Do you have any idea about it? Proper functioning. Health is actually the state of being, what we are understanding is the state of being free from illness or injury or disease. But according to WHO, definition of health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being. The physical, 3 dimensions are there: physical, mental and social well-being. Along with that, not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. So how many dimensions are there? 3 dimensions. Book? It's with Shahid Sayyid. Health has 3 dimensions. One is physical, then mental, and then social physical. What do you understand by physical? Perfect functioning of which today? Okay, those are bio. Girls. So health, physical means proper functioning of all organ system. So physical, proper functioning of all organ and part or different part of the body or all system of the body. Mental is the state of equilibrium or harmony between a person and the environment, surrounding environment. A person in a state of harmony or in a state of equilibrium with its surrounding environment means all factors, whatever the factors surrounds a person is in means deals with its all capability, is able to take decision in a proper way. So this is called mental. And then social well-being. What is social well-being? I should write what is mental? State of harmony between a person and surrounding environment. Right. Social well-being, what do you understand by this? Mutual understanding with the surrounding people, family, neighbor, friends. It's the mutual understanding. But can you tell me, this physical, okay, one can understand the different parts should function in a proper way, it's very important. Mental also, one is not able to take decision or not behave in a proper way, that is also affecting a person. But why this social well-being? Social well-being is mutual understanding between family members, neighbors, and friends. Can you tell me why? The social well-being is a very important factor of one of the three dimensions of the health. Why? Means this is the part of the person's what you get the personality. So why this? Why the relation with others is also one of the major factor of health? Because this directly affects mental health. If you don't have, mutual understanding with someone, if you don't have good relation with your family, friends or neighbor, that not indirectly, directly affects the mental state. Person is in depression, person is in under stress, or means totally the brain is busy in that issue, not able to perform other function. If somebody is having issue with someone, maybe it's a issue with the family member or with what you can say with the neighbor. So means you might have experience the person's that time totally busy in that issue, not able to think about other things. So means it affects all, means overall all personality of a person, it affects the social value. That's why, in our Islam also, akhlaq is very important. How much it is important, we know that. How much stress is there on akhlaq, good akhlaq. In our Islam, we know a lot of hadiths are there on akhlaq. The best person is the one who is having good akhlaq. Akhlaq is it comes under the category of huququl ibad. Means what relation we have with the society, how we behave, and this is, I think, most important thing. Most important thing. So this is all about health. Now what are the characteristics of health? We don't have duster here. Today I have not brought, and today is duster not here. I just want paper at least. So characteristic of a healthy person is absence of disease, and then proper working of all internal and external body parts, and then absence of any mental disease. It's there in my locker, but I thought already. So what are the characteristics? Absence of disease, absence of disease, and then proper working of all internal and external